Okay, so it's Sunday afternoon. I have fresh coffee and a brand new candle, and I want to invite you to finish a commission with me for a brand new baby girl.
Go away from my window, leave at your own chosen speed. I'm not the one you want, babe. I'm not the one you need. You say you're looking for someone, never weak but always strong, to protect you and defend